this video, I'll teach you how to say sorry in Japanese more casual way. So let's get into it. ごめん or ごめんね。ごめん or ごめんね。ごめん or ごめんね。So this one is still I'm sorry, ごめんなさい, but just be friendly. ごめんね。すいません。すいません。すいません。So some of you guys already know すいません or すいません or like excuse me, but also we use it as sorry. So すいません. And we have shorter version of it as well, which is すまん。すまん。すいません or すまん。すみません is too mouthful for us, so we say すいません or すまん。And this one is more like I apologize, which is 申し訳ない。申し訳ない。申し訳ない。So this one is like I'm so sorry. 申し訳ない。申し訳ない。And this last one is a little bit different from others because this one is more for like I feel sorry for you. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that kind of thing, which is かわいそうに。かわいそうに。かわいそうに。So you not apologizing it, more like you feeling sorry for them. かわいそうに. And now I'm gonna teach you how to respond. I'm sorry. Like, oh, no problem, it's alright, kind of thing, alright? The first one is 大丈夫だよ。大丈夫だよ。大丈夫だよ。Okay, which means no problem at all. And next one is 全然。全然。So 全然 is coming from 全然大丈夫だよ. Shorter version 全然 not at all. You don't have to worry about it. 全然 and 問題ないよ。問題ないよ。問題ないよ。問題ないよ。No problems. 問題ないよ。The last one. 心配ないよ。心配ないよ。心配ないよ。心配ないよ。No worries. Don't worry about it. That's it for this lesson. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna film more videos for you guys, and so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.